Welcome to the Michigan Runner Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
Being that this is the 30th annual Roseville Big Bird Run, we have a special presentation. There's some information in your runner's packet, but at this time I would like to introduce Lisa Simon, who is the postmaster for the Roseville Post Office, for a special presentation.
Good morning, everyone. What a great day. You look great, huh? Thank you very much for inviting me here today. It's very exciting. The 30th anniversary of this fun run, the Roseville Big Bird. I've been the postmaster of Roseville for just about a year now, and I've never heard of this fun run. I have run a few 5Ks, but I was really impressed in how organized it was, and also about the participation from the community. We at the Roseville Post Office are part of that community, and we're very proud of that. That's why I was very excited to be invited to participate in this. What we've done is we've chosen to commemorate by using a U.S. Postal Service pictorial cancellation postmark. The significance of a postmark commemorating a special event is a time-honored tradition in this country. The U.S. postmarks are recognized and collected around the world. I've actually registered this postmark through the U.S. Postal Bulletin. So at this time, I'd like to invite John Shurkin, the Mayor Pro Tem, and the Director of Art, Parks and Recreation, Tony Lipinski, to please help me unveil to all of you the 30th anniversary Roseville Big Bird Run cancellation. You can get one by coming into the Roseville Post Office, or you can also go and, if you want to get it by mail, you can send in a self-addressed stamped envelope, inside an outer envelope, made out to the postmaster, and we'll get one to you that way. I'd just like to go and thank Mayor Haw, Rich Steele, the city clerk,